First open Start and type Device Manager. Open Device Manager. Expand Sound Audio and Game Controller. Right-click your audio device and click on Properties. Open Driver tab. Click on Update Driver. Click on Browse My Computer for driver. Click on Let me pick from a list of available driver on my computer. Select your audio device and click on Next. Now restart and your problem should be fixed. If that didn't work, open Start and type Setting. Click on Setting. Click on System. Click on Troubleshoot. Click on Other Troubleshoot. In playing audio, press Run. If that didn't work, open Start and type Control Panel. Open Control Panel. Click on System and Security. Click on System and Maintenance. Click on Recovery. Click on Open System Restore. Click on Next. Select Latest Restore Point and click on Next. Click on Finish. Read it and press Yes.